Now we could keep just ripping through the rest of these functions and adding them ourselves, and we could 100% totally do that. Or we could do what most people do and just use an already deployed, already audited, already ready to go contract. So one of the most popular frameworks out there is this Openzeppelin contracts project. So if we go to the Openzeppelin documentation, we go to products, go to contracts, start coding, they actually have a ton of contracts that we can actually use and just copy paste into our code. They also have this really cool wizard, which allows you to make contracts really easily yourself, right? If you wanted to make a token, an ERC20, some governance, some other custom contract, they have a wizard that automatically allows us to create these much easier. So instead of me implementing the token myself, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, we're going to make a new token called our token.sol. And in here, same as always, SPDX, license identifier, MIT, Pragma, Solidity, like that, contract our token, like this. And we're going to install Openzeppelin contracts. And the way that we do that is, let's go to their GitHub, Openzeppelin. So I'm going to copy this bit, Openzeppelin/Openzeppelin contracts. So I'm going to do forge install Openzeppelin/Openzeppelin contracts. Oops, and I got to do --no commit. All right, cool. It has been installed. Now in my lib, I have this Openzeppelin contracts. And if we scroll down in here to token, we can see in this ERC20 folder, they have this ERC20.sol, which is already implemented for us. Huzzah. Another one that we actually worked with before was Soulmate, Transmissions 11 Soulmate. This is another fantastic repo I recommend checking out if you're looking for another fantastic package with a lot of contracts already built for you. But now that we have this contract, we can just go ahead and import it and inherit it. So first, we're going to need to go to our foundry.toml though, do some remappings. We'll say remappings equals at Openzeppelin equals lib/Openzeppelin/contracts. And now in our token, we can just do import at Openzeppelin/contracts/token/ERC20/ERC20.sol. And we can just have our token inherit everything from this ERC20.sol, which already has everything implemented. So we just say our token is ERC20. And now this ERC20.sol has a constructor, right? Where it takes a name and a symbol. And remember, if an inherited contract has a constructor, we need to use that in our constructor. So we could say constructor, we'll do a uint 256 initial supply. And we need to pass the ERC20 constructor, and we got to give it a name. Let's call it our token. Let's give it OT as a symbol. And then what I like to usually do is most of these come with a mint function, an internal virtual mint function. And I just like to mint the original sender, that initial supply. So mint message.sender, the initial supply. Cool. We can test this out with a forge build, of course. See if all of our stuff is working. And it's indeed working. Great.